Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today we're talking about home theater screens. More specifically, I'll be presenting one of the best ambient light rejection type screens out there, and it's the brand new EluneVision Aurora NanoEdge screen. So, well, if you have a home theater projection room, well, you probably noticed that one of the common issues is light control. So if you're in a brightly lit room or you're near some windows and you're watching your favorite content, so whether it be a movie or a TV show, well, if you get any type of a light that's not controlled, it's gonna wash out your picture. So you're gonna lose all the colors, all the contrast, and it won't look as sharp. So EluneVision have solved this problem with a brand new screen that I'm going to talk about today. So this is the EluneVision Aurora NanoEdge screen, and it comes with ALR technology, or ambient light rejection technology. And these are nanoparticles that are in the screen that are made to reject any off-axis light to make sure that you get the most vivid colors, the best contrast, and the best viewing experience. So I'm sure if you've also been to a sporting event at your local bar or sports bar and you watched an event on a projector screen, well, there are so many lights in those events that you normally get a washed out picture. And again, if you have a home theater at home with a projector screen and a projector, well, again, if you don't fully control your light, I'm sure you've experienced that issue. So this solves all of that. I'm going to teach you and show you everything you need to know about this screen. And also, you're going to see some examples of the dramatic difference of having a screen like this in your setup, because I'll be showing you a demo in my own home theater projector room. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you're having a great day. So as I said at the beginning, today we're talking about home theater projector screens, and more importantly, a brand new model that solves a common issue. So if you have your own home theater set up at home and you have a projector and a projector screen, you probably noticed that if you can't control your light output properly, well, you get a washed out screen. So it's kind of an issue for a lot of people because you're not enjoying your content as much because you're going to have washed out colors. You won't be getting the perceived contrast that you're expecting. The black levels are going to be a catastrophe. So essentially what EluneVision have done is come out with a brand new and modern screen for any type of home theater setup. That's pretty amazing. So they sent me this 42-inch sample for my testing and review. And essentially it has many cool features that we're going to talk about today. The key feature being the ALR technology, or ambient light rejection technology. So essentially this silver screen is coated with nanoparticles that reject off-axis light. So whether it be lights on your ceiling or lights in the environment that you're in, if you're in a brightly lit room, for example, or if your home theater setup happens to be next to some windows and you're in the daytime, well, all that daylight washes out the colors. Well, that's not the case with ALR technology, because again, you're going to get the most vivid colors, you're going to get a boost in contrast, and you're going to have the ultimate viewing experience. So in my home, I'm lucky enough to have a dedicated home theater room, so it's closed off. There are no windows in that room. The ceilings are 9 feet in height. I have matte black walls for ultimate light rejection, and I have a reference grade Stewart film screen, StudioTech 130 G3 100-inch projector screen. So it's a white screen, and in that room I have a high-end JVC projector. So obviously, because I have a controlled environment, the picture quality is absolutely outstanding. So I put this screen in front of my current screen so I can see as a control what it looks like in a dark environment, and the EluneVision Aurora NanoEdge screen performed amazingly well. It actually even gave a slight boost to colors and contrast, so that's a big plus. So the EluneVision Aurora NanoEdge screen is very well built. First of all, notice how slim the bezels are, hence the name NanoEdge. They're very, very slim, so for a very modern design. It's made out of a black felt material to absorb any light that might be splashing out of your screen. And if we have a look at the back, it has a dual frame structure. So essentially, there is one structure that holds the screen and it applies even tension, guaranteeing a perfectly flat surface. And the other frame incorporates LED backlighting and a black velour NanoEdge bezel. So you can tell the lighting strip goes all around, so it even lights up all the way up to the edges. And thanks to a remote, you can control what color you're looking for. And of course, the LED lighting that comes with this not only increases the perceived contrast levels, but it also reduces eye strain and eye fatigue when you're watching your content. So that's a plus value. And it comes standard with this type of screen, which is very rare in the industry. So they include that. If you notice, the back part of the screen is black. So this is made to eliminate any light reflection from the back. So a nice touch by EluneVision. So this 42-inch sample is in a 16:9 high definition format, and you can also get them in CinemaScope 235:1 format. They're available in screen sizes ranging from 92 inches all the way up to 180 inches. And by the way, guys, I'll put the links in the description down below to the EluneVision website so you guys can check them out. You can send them a simple inquiry about the screen size you want. They also make motorized versions if you want them. So imagine if you're the owner of a bar or a sports bar or any type of venue where you have a projector and a super wide projector screen. You have obviously a lot of lights and want to have the best picture quality. Well, this ALR light rejection technology is absolutely amazing. So now I'll go ahead and perform some tests and you'll see the high level of performance you get out of the Aurora NanoEdge screen. So we're gonna go into my home theater room and I'll put this up against my reference screen and we're gonna open the lights and you'll see how dramatic the effect is by having a screen with ambient light rejection technology. So guys, I think it was pretty clear. You saw the performance levels that you're getting out of the EluneVision Aurora NanoEdge screen. If you want to check it out and learn more about the details, I'll leave the link in the description down below. So I was pretty stoked about this product. It looks good in any type of an environment, but especially if you have a brightly lit room or you can control the light output, but you still want to enjoy the best possible home theater experience, whether you're watching your favorite movie or your favorite show. So you get increased black levels, better contrast, more vivid colors, you get a boost in picture quality. It's tack sharp, so whether you have an HD or a 4K projector, it's compatible with both. It's built like a tank, very high quality. You have these slim bezels, you have the LED backlighting. I mean, it comes packed with features, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So again, I want to give a big shout out to Gary over at EluneVision and also to Dave at Valencia Theater Seating for sponsoring this video and for making this possible. You guys are awesome. Valencia Theater Seating, a parent company of EluneVision, makes some awesome home theater seats, and I reviewed one recently. So for my stereo setup, I reviewed the Valencia Theater Seating Tuscany, super high-end motorized everything chair. You can check that review if you click the link that I'll drop up here. And also guys, if you want to continue to enjoy more home theater and hi-fi video reviews, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So thanks for being there guys, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, as I usually say, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.